everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and it is spring. The garden is in. Some seeds have germinated, some seeds haven't. We have beautiful weather, we have heat, we have rain. Praise God, it's been just such a beautiful start to our growing season. But I got something really cool to show you in the garden. But first, definitely check out everything-homemade.com. There you can find my cookbooks, Everything Stevia and Everything Whole Wheat Sourdough Cookbook. You'll also be able to find my sourdough masterclass, and this is such an awesome way to learn how to make beautiful sourdough bakings my easy way. So if you want to learn how to make sourdough, enroll in my sourdough masterclass. I'll see you there. So let's get back to the surprise. Oh my word, this is so cool. Take a look at this. So this is my pea row, and you can definitely see that all of these little weeds here that I've got to get weeding is chickweed. Chickweed can be your best friend. It's great natural ground cover. As long as your plants are bigger than your weeds, you're cool. I will weed this, but not weed it to where I totally eliminate the chickweed, because the chickweed provides a free ground cover which locks in moisture in the garden. But take a look at the peas. So this is up close. And this is what it looks like from a distance. So we have these large pea racks here, and the peas are growing right there. You can see them, and they're going to be supported by these racks. That's not the cool thing. That's just to show you where my row is and what I got from my peas. But take a look at this. Now, watch as I film my peas, and can you point out something that looks a little different? Is the suspense killing you already? It's coming. Wait a minute. Did you see that? Right there. That's right. Out of all these peas, there's an albino pea. That is so cool. Look at that. Right there. Growing beautifully among the other peas, we have an albino pea plant. How cool is that? So hit me in the comments, you guys. Have you ever seen an albino pea plant before? This is the same seed. I mean, you can see back here, I have lots of them up, and they're all, you know, green, and everything's going well, and everything's growing good. And then all of a sudden, I have this little guy. That's so cool. So I just thought I would share that with you. We'll see what happens. Will it grow up as strong as these ones will? I'm not too sure, but so far it looks really healthy. So thanks so much for watching, and there's always something cool in the garden. I'll see you on the next video.